shopping at Dallas. The Dairy Queen, how can I help you today?
Hi. So we're gonna do 4 of the mini blizzards. Do you have the caramel apple one?
We do. We have the caramel apple pie.
Okay, so I'll do one of those, one of the snickerdoodles, the brownie dough, and then the chocolate dipped strawberry.
All right, we have 4 mini blizzards.
Yes,
We have a caramel apple, a brownie dough, a snickerdoodle, and a dipped strawberry.
that's correct.
All right, your total is $15.99 at the window, please.
Thank you.
No, total was $15.99. Do you need a receipt today?
No thanks.
All right. There's that. We'll have that here shortly for you.
All right, thanks.
I feel like the brownie one is gonna be really good.
I feel like they feel like we're fat.
Yeah, because we just ordered 4 for like 2 people. Yeah, but they were minis.
Me, you, JC, and
Yeah, I'm eating for
Joab
2.
Jr.
Yeah, so dang, that's loud.
Yeah, the track's right behind us.
Oh.
There you go. Have a
Thank
good day.
you.
Drive safely.
Why would you
Drive
tell
safe.
someone to drive safely? I've never had anybody say that through a drive-through before. Park somewhere like not in the sun.
Like right here.
That's okay.
Super
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. This is a video I've been wanting to do for weeks now. So we just went to Dairy Queen, as you can tell by the title. We're trying out some of the new like fall blizzards that they have for a limited time. There's a total of like 6 of them, but we did 4 of them because I didn't want to like go crazy. They also, I saw last night that they had like a shake too. It was like a pumpkin shake, but we're not a big like pumpkin flavored fan. So we got the apple pie one we're both really excited for. I think that's this one. And then a strawberry like chocolate dipped brownie dough. I think that's this one. And then snickerdoodle. Yeah. JC's in the back, so she's just like spazzing out. Okay, here we go. Which one do you want to start with?
Let's do the apple.
Apple pie. That's the one we're both most excited for. I'm pretty sure it's this one. I don't know why they put like a little like lid on it.
They gave us 4 spoons and we only needed 2.
These are tiny spoons. I mean, we did get the mini size. This is the only one they put. Oh, probably because they put whipped cream on it or whatever. Okay. I think there's like apple pie pieces in it. That was pretty good.
Kind of tastes like waffle crisp cereal
Yeah.
with a hint of apple.
I think it's the apple. What's crunchy in it? The apple pie pieces?
Yeah, I have no clue, but it's good.
It's not like a super cheese. Don't worry, we're gonna give her some here in a little bit. I just got a bite of an apple. The apple flavor is not like super strong, which is kind of nice. How's that working? She just got it all over her nose.
Lick your nose, sweetie. You'll be
She
alright.
thinks it's funny. Okay. We'll definitely come back to that one. We got napkins. Should we do the strawberry one? I'm kind of excited for that one. Hold on. We're supposed to try them together.
I like the strawberry ice cream. I don't like the chocolate chips in it.
Yeah, I usually don't like chunky stuff. like when I have to like bite it when I'm eating ice cream, but that's really good. Should have brought like a snack or something for her. So I really like this strawberry one. This one is good. Next up, I think this is Snickerdoodles. Snickerdoodle cookie, you can't see it, but it looks like Snickerdoodle. Did you try it?
I did not.
Mmm.
Definitely get that one again.
Mmm. Snickerdoodle, 10 out of 10. I did not think I would like it this much. That is really good. Holy cow. Yum. So far out of the 3, I thought I would like caramel apple, but that one's my least favorite so far.
I like the caramel apple, and this one I didn't like the strawberry. We got 2 totally different taste buds.
I like the strawberry ice cream though. But yeah, like you said, the chocolate chips in it. Okay, hold up.
What's this one?
This one I'm excited for. This one's like the brownie dough. That one has chocolate chunks in it too though. This one has fudge in it too, I think. I like the brownie pieces in it, but
Tastes like chocolate ice cream to me.
yeah, there's nothing really like special about it. Definitely like the Snickerdoodle and apple tastes most like a fall, like if you're going for like an actual fall treat. I think those two. Like yeah, this brownie one is really good, but it just kind of tastes like chocolate because they mix it with fudge.
I think JC's just a fan of all of them, which is
Yeah,
completely
JC
fine.
doesn't care. Do you know
Everyone
what,
loves ice cream.
do you know what ASMR is?
What?
ASMR. Do you know what
No
that
clue.
is? You know what that is? It's like when you eat crunchy foods, it's like that satisfying sound.
I don't eat
Like-
crunchy foods. I inhale food. It's not crunchy to me.
No, but like people make ASMR videos and like eat crunchy food, or like that's what those eating like mukbang videos are.
Definitely gaining
like
10 pounds
ASMR.
from eating all these, but it's okay.
They're really good actually. The ones we didn't try, there's a pumpkin one, which we both really didn't care to try that. And what was the other one? Oreo mocha?
Oreo coffee.
Yeah. But we like coffee, but aren't like,
Oreo goes in milk, not coffee.
yeah, we like coffee, but we don't, I don't know, generally I don't like coffee flavored stuff. Which one's your favorite?
What?
Which one's your favorite?
Probably the apple or the snickerdoodle.
I can't even decide. I'm a big chocolate fan though. I love chocolate stuff.
I don't know. I feel satisfied with everyone but that brownie one.
Yeah.
A chunk of strawberry.
Mmm. So there's actual strawberries in the strawberry one. I just thought it was like strawberry flavored ice cream or like syrup or something. Which is nice. Alright, thanks for coming along with us, you guys.
Definitely
feel like-
buy these.
I feel like they were all actually really good. I'm not disappointed. I thought I was gonna like the caramel apple one the best, but I don't know. I can't even decide. So make sure you guys are subscribed below and give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye.